I was able to successfully transform $500 into way more than that, all by building and selling gaming PCs online and only using the funds earned from selling those computers to build a computer that has a value of over $3,000, all so that I can give that computer away to you. Yeah, you. You can have this computer. And for any of you guys that are super curious as to just how much money we were able to make in the PC Build Up Challenge series, at the end of episode 20, I did say that we had $2,454 to spend on your system, but we still had 3 computers left to sell, and all 3 of those computers did in fact sell for my asking price. The all-white M-ATX build that we put inside of that gorgeous Asus Prime case sold for $580, and we sold both of the computers from the double PC build for $700 each. So that means that we successfully transformed $500 into $4,434, which puts us well over the goal to build the ultra gaming system that's gonna sit on your desk. So I started this challenge because I was trying to find a way to be able to give back to all of you lovely people who spend time out of your lives every Saturday to watch me tinker around with PC hardware. And because there are tons and tons of PC channels on YouTube that use only the very best of everything in their builds, but all of that comes with an extreme price tag. And I wanted to try and show people that if you wanted something like that and you couldn't afford it, it was possible if you invested the time to earn it. And at the same time I was doing it, I could build a computer to give to you that a lot of people can't afford. And when I say a lot of people can't afford it, I include myself in that category because I don't have the personal funds to be able to drop $3,000 on a computer, but I was able to earn it for you. It's right here. So underneath this sheet right here is $3,187 in gaming PC hardware that essentially just cost me $500. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is your gaming PC, but there is more. Alongside of this computer will also come $455 in total value of surprises that I will show you a little later. So if you have not already joined up to win this computer right here, you're gonna need to go do that now. The only thing that you have to do in order to qualify and win this computer is be an active member in my Discord server. I'm gonna leave a link to join that server in the description down below. It is 100% free, and any giveaway that is done on the PC Rehab channel is going to take place on that Discord. Now I am crazy excited to show you all of the hardware that's gonna go inside of the computer that's gonna sit on your desk, and I hope that you guys love it because I know that I absolutely love this thing. So do you guys wanna see? You guys wanna see what's on here, or should I just keep it a surprise? No, you guys wanna see, hold on.